Writing the About section for your website, your Google business page, and your Facebook page is super important for your business, but it takes a bunch of time to write out all the copy, think about what you want to say. It can be a tedious task that doesn't get done. Unfortunately, if you don't do it, you're leaving an opportunity to tell Google about your business and load your Google business profile, your social media, and your website with important keywords that will drive more traffic to your business. So it's really important to have an About section that is up to date, has a lot of information about your business. And until today, you would always have to sit down and spend at least a couple hours coming up with the content and writing it out, editing it, drafting it yourself. Luckily, now there's ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you the prompts that you can use and how you can easily create a business about section that you can use across all of the different places that you need to write about your business. And you can do it in literally just a couple minutes using ChatGPT. Let me dive right in and show you the prompt that I used and how this all works. Okay, so here I am in ChatGPT, and here's the prompt that I used to generate a really awesome About section for my business. So I pretended that I owned a power washing business, and I told a few details, and I'm gonna share this prompt for you. It's gonna be down in the description of this video too, so you can just copy and paste it. I'll put that template in here and I'll show it to you here in a couple seconds on this video. But you can see this 500-word description of my business was written in just a matter of seconds with the right prompt. And here's how it goes. I'll just read you a couple paragraphs so you can really get a sense of how professional this is. Welcome to Edwards Power Washing Services, the premier pressure washing solution in the heart of Denver, Colorado. Our business, proudly owned and managed by Keegan Edwards, has served the Denver community with distinction for over a decade, ever since our inception in 2013. Sounds pretty good so far, right? At Edwards Power Washing Service, we strongly believe that customers are at the heart of our business. As such, we take great pride in offering professional customer service that sets us apart from the rest, right? Roots run deep, so you can see that this is really well written, really informational, and it's got a lot of details about what it is that we actually do too. So if you're a homeowner looking to spruce up your property, a business owner aiming to maintain a clean and welcoming exterior, you can trust Edwards Power Washing Services to get the job done right. So this whole About section, which would add a lot of rich keywords to my website, to my Google business profile, and to my social media pages potentially, is all written for me with the right prompt. So here's the prompt that I used to generate this really nice About section. I asked ChatGPT to write me a 500-word description of my business About section and told it that it was going to be used in my Google business profile, Facebook business page, and the About section of my website. Now I said I want the description to include the services that my business offers and background information, to talk about what sets us apart, which is our customer service. I own a power washing business and where it's located, and we've been in business for 10 years. So then I said my name, and then please make the tone of this section friendly and approachable. So the prompt that you can fill in, let me pull that up for you right here, and then I'm gonna put in the description, goes like this. So that first section you can just copy and paste as is, and then right here you're going to want to fill in your exact situation, right? So what sets us apart is our, and then put your unique value proposition, what sets apart your business. You own a, and then right here, this should actually be mine. So what type of business you own, and then where that business is located. And then you've been in business for however long, what your name is, if you want your name included in that. And a lot of people like to know the owner of a small business, so I recommend that you do. And then make the tone of the About section however you want it to be. You can have it really professional, really funny. You can have it be goofy, you know, whatever fits your brand and style, and then include the business name. So if you copy and paste this from the description, put it in ChatGPT, and actually be specific, you know, fill in the blanks about your own business, then you're going to get a really nice professional About section written that you can just use in all those places. Works really well for your business, helps again introduce the right keywords, tell Google and consumers about your business and why they should shop with you, right? It's that straightforward and easy to use ChatGPT to save yourself hours and hours, create a nice professional About section about your small business that you can use across the web. Hope this helps. Hit that subscribe button below and like this video. Leave a comment and let us know how your About section turned out for your business. Wishing you the best of luck.